In 2026, non-destructive testing enters a new era. Digital technologies, AI, and automation are transforming our ability to detect defects before they become critical. Traditional methods are evolving into smarter, automated solutions for faster, safer inspections. Key regulatory updates include ISO 9712-2021, ASME Section V 2023, and the latest API 510 standards. Phased array ultrasonic testing, or PAUT, is replacing conventional UT. It provides real-time imaging of cracks and porosity through electronic beam steering. Following ASTM E2700, PAUT reduces inspection time by up to 70% compared to legacy manual methods. TOFD complements PAUT for precise crack sizing. Per ISO 27863, it uses diffracted waves to measure defect height with high accuracy, regardless of orientation, making it essential for critical pressure vessel welds. Digital radiography replaces film with digital detectors. This reduces radiation exposure by 80% and eliminates chemical processing. EN ISO 17636-2 compliance ensures instant archiving and advanced image enhancement for superior defect detection. Eddy current array revolutionizes tube inspections. ECA maps corrosion and cracking in a single pass. A 1,000 tube exchanger can now be inspected in just 4 to 6 hours, a massive leap from the days of manual point testing. Infrared thermography allows for contactless monitoring. Per ISO 184341, high-resolution thermal cameras detect insulation loss and leaks from safe distances, often assisted by automated AI anomaly detection. Guided wave ultrasonic testing inspects long piping runs through insulation. With a 100-meter range from a single point, GWUT is the gold standard for detecting corrosion under insulation without the cost of stripping lines. Finally, AI and machine learning enable automated data analysis. AI reduces human error by up to 50%, identifying subtle defects. Per ISO TR 25107, this paradigm shift empowers certified Level 2 and 3 inspectors with unprecedented data-driven insights. Automation extends our reach. Inspection drones and magnetic wall climbing robots eliminate the risks of working at heights or in confined spaces. These tools execute continuous scans and 3D mapping with zero human entry required. Digitalization creates the digital twin, a complete 3D model integrated with inspection history and real-time NDT results. Cloud platforms and blockchain ensure immutable data traceability and asset management compliance across multi-site operations. Technology evolves, and so must we. ISO 9712-2021 mandates enhanced training and 5-year requalification. Continuous professional development is no longer optional. It is the foundation of modern NDT expertise. To modernize, evaluate your specific defect types, prioritize PAUT training, and invest progressively in digital RT. Digitize your reporting through CMMS and ensure all procedures are qualified to ASME and ISO standards. NDT in 2026 is a fusion of cutting-edge technology and certified human skill. By 2030, AI-assisted and robotic inspections will be the industry standard. The future starts now. Train today and protect your equipment's integrity for tomorrow.